Alright, after the last mud run, I disassembled, cleaned, thread locked everything that I needed to do. This truck with batteries is over 80 pounds. With the winch I had in there, over 100. But I've simplified it for today because I made the mud pit much bigger. So I show it beside the ATV just so you guys can kind of get a general sense of how large this truck is in each video, because in each video people are always surprised every time I release it. But let's get straight to the action, shall we? And yes, I drive the RC at the same time I drive this while I'm filming. Alright, so it rained while I was making this mud bog a little bit bigger. It is very deep, very sloppy, and I expect to fail today in a spectacular way. But let's have some fun in the meantime. What do you think, girls? You my good dog? You get those flies off you, huh? Good girl, Raven. You ready for some action in the mud? I am. Oh, just trying to make it across. Ooh, right up to my knee. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, it's a mud hole. Oh. Oh. Oh, what's that sound? Oh, that doesn't sound good. Oh, what happened? Get all the way out here, baby. I think the motor moved. That sucks. All that work. So I've repaired the diff. Yeah. Oh, deep. Oh, he's a happy truck. He just wants to play. Good boy. Whew. All right, that's some mud. Oh. Come on, buddy. Oof. That was awesome. Riley, no teeth, sweetie. Good girl. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, I love this truck. Come on, buddy. Thank you. It loves me too. Yes. What a beautiful picture. Oh, I heard diff. Oh, yes. What do you think, Riley Bear? Pretty amazing, huh? Alright, this is the big show. You've done pretty good today, but they're asking for more. Oh, nice. 3, 2, 1. A complete rollover. Epic. Time for a wash. Deep in there, huh? Watch out, Riley Bear. You guys want a bath first, I get it. Well, after a huge mudding like that, big girl here needs a good bath. Riley Bear, come. Come. Come on. Good girl, come. Come here. Get out of the way. You get clobbered. Good girl, good girl. Oh, that's one way to clean it.